Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to explain to you why we are using the master representation or why we would like to sometimes reuse the simplify representation. So what is it behind? And simple answer is that we would like to increase the complexity of the speed of working with the assembly or in the drawing. You can imagine that you have a really huge assembly and the loading time for the master data take, for example, 15 minutes. And also for the drawing, take some time more. And if you are using the simplify representation, for example, geometric representation or graphics representation or all other types, then the opening time for the huge assembly can be increased, so can be really fast. And over here for now, for today, I'd like to show you only the quick example how it's possible to set up, and for the next upcoming tutorials I will set up all necessary information step by step, and we will go deeply for all others examples and the preferences for the simplify representation. So for today I prepared the simple assembly, so you can see here that is the assembly, and the loading time, it's not so fast that we don't want to wait, for example, 7 minutes right now, but you can see the take time doesn't matter, for example 15 seconds. And question is if we can open it faster. And in the model tree it's imported geometry, so you can see that some information are wrong, but we don't want to focus on the wrong information. We would like to focus really on the model tree and what is loaded. So what the system do when the system want to work with the master data? The system is loading parameter, relation, information, geometry, and all this type, and then take time. And with Creo, you are able to specify configuration option, and you are able to work with the symbolic representation, geometry representation, graphic representation, and all other types. And how to set up these preferences I will show you later. For now, really only example why we would like to use the simplify representation, because it was your direct question. So I will close this assembly and we will open the simplify representation and we can compare it if it was fast or not. Yeah, so I will close, I will erase information from the memory, and then we will open the same assembly as the representation. So I will do not push the button open, but we will have a drop down menu and, for example, light graphics. If I hit the button, everything has been loaded really fast, only a few seconds. For the huge assembly, what does it mean? Your loading time can be, for example, we can say from 15 minutes to 1 minute. Yeah, so it's really good. And what does it mean? If you will open any assembly, so for example, I will open any model, yeah? So for example, this model I will open, and when I will open, the system automatically load all necessary features, parameter, relation, and all necessary parts. If I will close it, in the model tree, you can see that no features are loaded. Yeah, so only when you select the model, for example, this one has been opened, then the system will load necessary information, because we are using the loading on demand and working with the active object on demand. Yeah, so everything is loaded step by step, and then you can modify it and change your information also with the activating of the object in the assembly, work with them. So over here was the explanation why we are working and using the simplify representation. Simple answer is because we would like to work faster with the huge assemblies. And how to set up all necessary preferences in Creo, I'll show later. Yep. Take care and bye-bye. Vladimir.